When humidity levels are high, the Keystone KSTAD70B dehumidifier combines power and energy efficiency to remove mold-including moisture from your home. Design-wise, this model has a digital display on top of the unit that lets you dial in the level of humidity in your home in 5% increments. It also includes a 24-hour timer, allowing you to better control when and how long the unit runs for. This dehumidifier is both large and heavy. The unit weighs 40 pounds but comes with 4 durable casters. It has wide dimensions, measuring 11.3 inches deep, 15.5 inches wide, and 23.3 inches high. Because of its size, it may be difficult to store in smaller rooms. Additionally, this device uses 720 watts when operating. While this is standard for a dehumidifier of this size, there are comparable units that use far less and are ENERGY STAR certified. When it comes to performance, within 24 hours, this dehumidifier can remove up to 70 pints of moisture from the air. It can dehumidify up to 3,800 square feet, one of the largest spaces in general. This makes it a good choice if you're looking for a dehumidifier for your entire home. It also works well in a basement, workshop, or garage. However, one oddity with this otherwise excellent dehumidifier is that the water collection reservoir only holds 10.4 pints. But it's also important to mention that a smaller size bucket is easier to empty than large capacity buckets that weigh significantly more. Moving on, this dehumidifier comes with a standard 2-speed fan. On the low setting, the unit is quiet, the higher setting is noisier. Its sound level measures 53.3 decibels, which is comparable to the sound a dishwasher emits. Moreover, the dehumidifier's auto shutoff turns the machine off once the relative humidity in your home reaches the setting entered on the unit's humidistat. This feature saves you on both energy use and electric bills. Another great feature is the 24-hour timer. This feature lets you set multiple timers for when the dehumidifier automatically starts and shuts off throughout the day. Overall, the Keystone KSTAD70B is designed for comfort and convenience. To conclude, its performance and convenience makes it a top-notch choice.